Hello, well, welcome to Riding the Market. I'm here at the end of the day after my final trade. It was a fairly long one, hour and a half I've been sitting in it, or something close to that. But yeah, done on the day, down $400 today, so giving back most of the profits I made yesterday and sitting around break even now after a week of trading, which is a little bit frustrating, but it's fine. Breaking even is better than losing, I guess. It's a bit frustrating to be have good days followed by bad days followed by good days, and just feels like you're not going anywhere. But anyway, onto my trades. I saw this first trade as a double top. The reason why I didn't take it is because we had these bullish fair value gaps at the lows here, and I was thinking that we'd push up into it and then reject out. That's not what happened. Instead, we continued going down, so kind of missed this trade, but I'm not too unhappy that I did miss that. The one that I'm unhappy about is the trade that I took, where instead of staying in it, I flipped position when I saw this down closing candle because I was uncertain about this trade. For whatever reason, I don't know. It looks like a good trade to me right now, but when I was in it, it looked awful. So yeah, flipped it, and then after a while, I realized that it wasn't going in my direction, and I had I wasn't certain of anything. I was just emotional at that point, so I closed my trading. And then that wasn't a big loss, but it was around $140 odd. So it's not the biggest monetary amount. It's just annoying that I lost it when I was in the right trade, and it would have given me profits, but fair enough. It happens sometimes. What's more annoying is I stayed in a trade later, which I'll come on to now, which ended out as loser, even though I saw that it wasn't going in my direction. I just made a number of mistakes today, which really affected my P&L. So in the afternoon session, I didn't take any trades. You could see this as a double top, but it was too far away from my entry, so I couldn't get on the sell at the start of the day. The trade that I did see was this long, but it didn't come back to my price, my entry price, so I missed that. And I'm not too fussed about this one because it was difficult to catch. So it's not one that I'm particularly concerned about. And then my session ended around this level where perhaps I could have taken a trade, like a IFEG trade, from around this level or from around this level, and then got a 1-to-1 from there. But it was the end of my session, so I can't really trade after that. This is a fairly annoying trade, actually. So we formed the lunch low, lunch high, and then we swept the high and rejected back into it. I didn't take that because we had, again, these bullish fair value gaps. And then, I could have taken it at this point. I could have taken it at this point, or at least this point. I couldn't have taken it there. But once I saw two rejections of lunch high, that should have confirmed to me that we're going lower for now, and I should have taken the sell into this zone. And if I hadn't taken that trade and I had been holding for the long out of this, that would have been the better trade. Instead, what I did was I chased the short after it was already done, essentially. So we inverted these two fair value gaps. I entered on the highest one, looking for a 1-to-1, stop at the high, but eventually we formed a double bottom there, out of the zone that I was looking for, without the inverted fair value gaps, and then it just formed a low, pushed out, and then stopped me out. So really frustrating day today. There's a lot of trades that I could have taken that would have been better for my trading, that would have fit my style, fit my entries, but I ignored them for lesser trades. And then when I was in a good trade, I got out of it and lost money on that as well. So all in all, just awful trading for me. It's becoming a real grind working on this account. Being at break even isn't the worst thing. It's just frustrating that I haven't gone anywhere in a week out of God knows how many days. I have trades. I've got what 15, 16 trades at that point, and still where I started. So really frustrating. I know it's one of the things that you just have to work through. I'm new to running my strategy, so I'm not going to be perfect. It's just that I would like to be a little bit better and not just be a break-even trader. That would be nice. But that's all for me today. I'm going to come back tomorrow and hopefully have a better day, make some profits, and then follow it up with another good day. That would be great for the end of the week. But I'll call it here, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye.